Oh, here it is. New computer case. The Corsair 4000D. It's probably, I don't know. It's like 10 inches wide. It's a good bit wider than my old traditional case. And top has this mesh on it. It's actually magnetic. It comes off of there. Lots of ventilation. Lots of air movement for this case, which is really good. And I mean, it's lit, it's on, but it's virtually silent. It's got a liquid cooling system in it that's also from Corsair that I installed. Don't be fooled, this case was empty when I got it. But with all the upgrades and everything that I've been doing, everything in here is basically brand new. Got the 4 sticks of RAM in there. Corsair Vengence RAM, 64 gigabytes. The 3 cooling fans, Corsair as well. Red, green, blue. All of these things plug into a hub down underneath. It's not included with the case, but it does come with the liquid cooling system up here in the top. These 2 fans, they hook up to a radiator that runs along the top here, and then the coolant runs down through these hoses in and out and through the heatsink for my processor. And that's a Ryzen 7 3rd generation processor I've gotten, this AMD, with a Republic of Gamers motherboard, Strix, ASUS motherboard, and the GeForce RTX 2070 video card. If I open up this side panel here, these open up pretty easy, and this is like real glass. It's a real good quality case. I'm really happy with the quality of it. But considering the amount of what's going on inside of here, it's virtually silent. And that liquid cooling really does a lot. And this thing, I mean, it's moving a lot of air. My other computer was like a furnace, but you can see this case gives you a lot of options behind this plate here, actually, for a lot of your wiring to go in behind it to the other side of the case. I'm not going to open that up right now, but a Google search for this case, the Corsair 4000D, will bring up plenty of images and things so you can see what the other side of the case looks like. But there's a lot of really good wire management, a lot of customization can go and be done with this case. It's definitely worth the $95 I paid for it. All of the fans are also on slotted screw holes, so you know, if you didn't want 3 fans in the front here, you could do 2 and split the difference. They slide around. Also, the fan slots all on the top up here are all on elongated screw holes as well. When I take this out, you can kind of see that here. So there's just a lot of customization and a lot of things that you can do with this case that you really wouldn't be able to do with a lot of other cases, which makes it really versatile, makes it really, it's what made it mostly desirable for me, because I'm always just looking to do something new. So that's it, man. That's the system. Hopefully it'll keep me happy for a while.